A leader's greatest achievement isn't what he builds, it's the people he inspires. A hospital is made of walls and machines. Every morning, before the doors open, before the first patient, someone arrives, carrying a responsibility that thousands of people never see. And today, we have something to say.
Because of you, Healing Hands became my second home.
You are always inspire me as a mentor, and you always support me in my all problems as elder brother.
You have been an inspiration not only for me but to thousands of people who are around you.
You believed in me before I believed in myself.
So you inspire us to think beyond today.
Thank you for inspiring all of us with your vision and passion.
You are a unique personality. You are compassionate.
You make our workplace feel like family.
One thing I really admire about you is that your hunger for success is contagious and it is in all of us.
Thank you for always giving smile at us.
आपने हमको डिसिप्लिन सिखाया. Thank you, sir.
Ashwin sir, you are Mr. Perfect.
Patients trust him even before the treatment begins.
सर का तो नाम ही काफी है.
You're not just the best, you keep raising the bar. Happy birthday, sir.
You inspire us to tell stories that change people's lives.
It is really a great honor and privilege to be working with you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to the big boss.
Best wishes for the Gatland team.
Happy birthday, Dr. Ashwin sir.
Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday. Thank you.
Dr. Ashwin, a very happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, sir.
Wish you a very happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday, sir. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday, sir. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, sir.
Very happy birthday, Dr. Ashwin. Thank you for being a great friend and a mentor to all of us.
Happy birthday, sir.
Wish you a very happy birthday, sir.
A very happy birthday, Dr. Ashwin.
We love you, sir. I love you, Papa.
The greatest privilege of our journey was walking a part of it with you. Happy 46th birthday, Ashwin sir.